In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Google Tasks. By the end, you'll have a safe copy of your task lists that you can store or move between tools when you need it. We'll start with Google's official export tool, and then I'll show you a simple manual backup option for extra peace of mind. First, open Google Takeout. This is Google's central hub for downloading your data across services. Once you're there, the page usually selects everything by default, which we don't want. Click Deselect All so you're working with a clean slate. Then scroll down until you find Tasks. Turn that on. This ensures you're only exporting your Google Tasks data, keeping the file small and focused. Next, continue to the export settings by clicking Next Step. Here you'll choose how you want Google to deliver the backup and how often you want it created. For delivery method, pick where you want to get the file. Most people choose a download link by email, but you can also send it straight to cloud storage if that suits your workflow. For export frequency, decide between a one-time export or an automatic export every 2 months for a year. If you rely heavily on tasks, that recurring option can be a great set-and-forget safety net. Now choose your file type and file size. Zip is the most convenient format for most systems, and you can set a size limit so large exports are split into multiple files. Smaller chunks are easier to download and store reliably. When everything looks right, click Create Export. Google will start preparing your tasks backup. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to longer, depending on account size. You'll get an email when it's ready. When the message arrives, open it and download the zip file. Save it somewhere safe, ideally in at least 2 places, like an external drive and a cloud folder. Inside the zip, you'll find your Google Tasks data in a structured format, suitable for archiving or importing into compatible tools later. If you'd like an extra layer of protection, you can also make a simple manual backup. Copy your most important tasks into Google Sheets, Google Docs, or another task manager you trust. In Sheets, consider using columns for task name, list, due date, notes, and status so it stays organized. This manual snapshot won't include every system-level detail, but it's quick, readable, and great for referencing or sharing. That's it, your Google Tasks data is now backed up. Keep your backup files secure, and consider setting a reminder to repeat the process on a schedule that matches how often your tasks change. Thanks for watching.